So far in 2019, we have seen a couple of foldable phones like the Samsung Galaxy Fold and Huawei Mate X. But if you know the rumors and leaks, Motorola is also working on its foldable phone and the Motorola Razr will launch this year with a foldable design. There are concepts all over the internet, but now some official looking press renders have leaked, and if they are legit, then this would definitely be one of the best foldable phones of this year. As most of you already know, the original Moto Razr was a clamshell device with a display and a physical keyboard on the inside, whereas a small secondary screen on the outside. The upcoming Motorola Razr 2019 is based on the same design, but this time there is a foldable screen on the inside. So when unfolded, you have that tall display with a notch on top for the earpiece and other stuff. One thing that cannot be confirmed is the presence of a secondary screen on the outside since the phone is so slim. Moreover, the renders did not give a look at the outside of the phone, so it cannot be said if there is indeed a secondary screen on the outside or not. The press renders reveal that the Motorola Razr 2019 comes in a triangular prism-shaped box which has various accessories arranged in a premium manner. The phone comes with a wireless charger, earbuds, a power adapter, charging cable and a Type-C to 3.5mm dongle. So there is no headphone jack, but that's not surprising since the phone appears very slim in the renders. Well, one thing that you can notice is the fact that the Motorola Razr folds vertically instead of horizontally like the Galaxy Fold and Huawei Mate X. So this means that it is a phone that folds to become more portable rather than a tablet that folds to the size of a phone. According to a report from Wall Street Journal, the price would be around $1,500 US. So yes, this is going to be yet another super expensive foldable phone launching this year. Finally, keep in mind that these leaked renders could be fake as well, so consider this new leak with a pinch of salt. What do you think of this design for the 2019's Motorola Razr? Do let me know by the comment section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one.